Stop it. Stop it. Kylie, stop it. No. No, whatever. What are you doing? Wait. Kylie, please. Where are you going? Kylie, please. Please. Okay, come on. We have to do the intro. Come on.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. Today, I am here with my sister, Kylie. Say hello.
Hello.
I hope you can hear her. But anyways, so it's your girl, Nat/Natalie. And yeah, we're doing a totally collab with... Ah! She has a taser! She has a taser! A big, fat, disgusting taser! Oh, hi.
Yay.
And she is now carrying me. Help! Somebody help me.
You're going to bug me.
No!
Stop.
I don't want to go. This is crazy. I'm going to drag my poor body out of here. Whee! I believe I can die. Kylie, would you like to eat a Nutella for dinner?
Yeah. Here you go.
Ooh, I have a taser now. I am going to do this. Tase! Come here! Let me tase you! I'm going to tase you! Ooh, a horse. Hey, I want a horse!
You can't catch me!
I'm gonna tag you! Dun-na-na-na-na, dun-na-na-na-na, dun-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Dun-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. What?
I teleported here.
She teleported. I'm gonna run into this truck for no apparent reason. Whee! Crap. I want to go back to the script.
Where's you?
Oh, I have no idea.
Well,
Dun-na-na-na-na, 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 dun-na-na-na. Hey, Kylie, do you want to go rob a bank?
yeah.
My cat. She's leaving us.
Where's you?
I'm at the police station.
You see me?
No, I do not. I do not know where you are. Anyways, I'm gonna go rob a bank. Da-da-da-da. I didn't know horses could swim. Giddy up! Alright, I'm at the bank.
I meet you.
Hurry up! I have the card and everything. Come on. Where are you? I'm outside the bank. Do you saw me? No, you don't.
No,
All right.
Wait. Stop.
I'm just gonna go rob a bank. Do.
No.
Hello, horse. How are you doing today? Can I rob this bank?
No.
Oh my gosh, horse, you're so rude.
What?
Slap,
I'm here.
slap.
Okay.
I'm gonna get back up. I have a taser. Tase.
Hello.
Horse, what are you doing? Die, babe. The horse died. Okay, come on. Let's go get the card and go. Come on. Go. I'm your mom. Hurry up. Get
Okay.
over here. Get the bombs. The bombs. Come on. You already have money. Why are we robbing this bank then? Wait, don't blow it. Blow it. I want money. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Out the exit. The exit. Ah! I'm too tall. I'm too tall for a mom. My child. No, my child! She didn't make it! I gotta go and save her. My child! My child! Child! Get over here!
Okay.
Come on. Here, piggyback.
Yes.
Come on, let's go. We're gonna go escape this place. Come on. What? Anyways. Oh yeah. We gotta be quiet. Okay. I'm gonna sneak. How do you sneak?
I got the money.
I do not know how to sneak, woman. Okay. You go into sneaking position. Sneak. What are you doing? You're supposed to sneak. Why am I so tall but so... Oh no, my child. She turned into a baby. A tiny little rodent. Get over here, child. Child. Please. Here, let me carry you.
Okay, yes.
My child. I gotta go to the doctor to fix her. Kiss her. I don't know. Come on. I need to give you CPR.
I got the handcuffs.
Where's the hospital? Please, somebody help my child. Somebody help. Why do you have handcuffs?
I don't have them anymore. That's good.
Oh, all right, cool. Anyone, please help me.
Hey, school bus.
Ooh, a school bus. Yeah, I'm gonna drop you, child. Go to school now. I'll grab. No, I want to drive. You do not know how to drive, child. Get over here. I'm on top of the school bus. Hey, child, I have a taser. No, my child. My child. This normal day has gone terribly wrong. I'm gonna chase you with my totally electric scooter. No, it's a skateboard. Why did I call it a scooter? No. This is a high-speed police chase. Wait, if it were high-speed, then I need a police car. High-speed police chase. Shut it. Dun. 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 This day has gone terribly wrong. I don't know what to say anymore. Everything is a lore today. Ow! Come on, you stupid police guy. Stupid police guy. Move! Great, now I have to walk.
Where's the purple car?
Beep, 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 beep.
Where's the car?
I need a car.
The purple
Come on.
car.
Purple, my favorite color. No, I'm not. I'm not a passenger. No.
I want the beep.
No. Go on your own iPad, woman.
Where's my home?
Anyways, it's time to go get the groceries. La 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 no.
Oh, this is a nice spot.
Ooh, a bag of money sounds nice.
Yeah.
Wait! I am going. Hey! You're not old enough to own a house.
Here you got you and home house.
Ah, yay! I have a house now.
Yeah, I'll buy it for you.
What?
I'll buy it
Child? Where did you get all this money?
I don't know.
Did you rob a bank again?
Yeah, I did.
Why'd you rob a bank? I
Okay.
mean, we literally robbed the bank like 2 minutes ago, so it's okay. Anyways, I'm gonna do all this computer stuff.
I need
Beep, beep, beep.
Coca-Cola.
Ooh, nice Coca-Cola.
I need card.
Give me the Coke. Please. Whatever.
I'm in the vacuum.
Don't vacuum me. What are you doing? This is a Coca-Cola hideout.
Sweep.
My sister has gone terribly crazy. And to end today, come on, child. Let me carry you.
Okay.
Piggyback. No, you're not supposed to work out. Just. Alright, cool. Ow, you're banging my head with that. Thank you. Now, here. Go to bed. Go to bed. I want to end this video. Please.
Okay.
Well, that's it for today, everybody. This child has just exploded. And, well, thank you. Goodbye.